I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to fix the account not in this store error in the Mac App Store. This error usually pops up when your Apple account region doesn't match the specific storefront you're trying to browse, or if there's a sync glitch between your Mac and Apple servers. Let's walk through how to fix it. Step 1. Open the App Store on your Mac. Step 2. Click Store in the top menu bar and then select Sign Out. Once you are signed out, quit the App Store entirely. Step 3. Reopen the App Store. Click Sign In at the bottom of the sidebar and then enter your Apple account credentials. In many cases, simply signing back in will force the App Store to refresh and switch you to the correct regional storefront automatically. Step 4. If the error persists, you need to verify your account's region. Click either your name or the Sign In button at the bottom of the sidebar and then click Account Settings at the top of the window. You may be prompted to enter your Apple account password again. Step 5. On the Account Information screen, look for the Country Region section. If the country listed here doesn't match where you currently live, click your current country. The next screen shows you a list of countries and regions you can set as your current location. Step 6. Select your correct country from the list, review the terms and conditions, and then click Agree. You will likely need to re-enter your payment information and billing address to confirm the change. Some things to keep in mind. The media and purchases sync. If your App Store is still acting up, the glitch might be in your macOS system settings rather than the App Store itself. You can check this by opening System Settings, clicking your name at the top of this menu, and then clicking Media and Purchases. Click Manage next to Subscriptions or Account. If a review account or terms and conditions pop-up appears here, accept it. Often, the App Store throws the Not in this store error simply because there is a pending legal update or a payment verification that needs to be cleared at the system level. And one last check. VPNs. If you are using a VPN, try turning it off and restarting the App Store. If your VPN is set to a different country, the App Store may try to load that region's catalog, realize your account isn't authorized for it, and trigger this exact error. You can check your VPN by opening System Settings and then clicking VPN in this menu. Your VPN connections, if you have any, will be listed. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.